What's poppin', you guys? We are back and getting to it. To a back day, y'all. It's gonna be a fucking good one. I'm already warmed up. I got my fucking warm-up sets in. Guys, quick tip. You don't need to be going too crazy when it comes to the warm-up sets. All you gotta do is just like, I like to use a band and just do a couple like spread aparts or tear, whatever the fuck you call them, you know, just right there. And also just doing the exercise itself at lighter weights for a lot of reps. That's what I personally like to do, because it's like it gets them a lot of blood flowing into the right areas, and from there you don't need to go through like a whole 10, 20, 30 minute warm up. Like, man, sometimes it's doing just way too much and you're just wasting time at some point. All right, so make sure you're just hitting the actual exercise you're gonna do, and then fucking get right into it. All right, so it's gonna be my first working set here. Again, higher reps, going for like 15 reps. Let's see what the fuck we got. Come on, set one.
This is crazy.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Okay. We got 15 reps on that one, just what I was going for. Ooh, that was a tough ass fucking set. Good first one right there, all right? Let's keep it rolling. Set one down. All right, y'all, set two. We got 15 on that last one. I'm not gonna lie, that shit was rough as a motherfucker. I took a good break. I took like 2-3 minutes, so nothing crazy. Let me get my fucking timer out actually. I track my workout on this, like it's not, look, I'm gonna tell y'all, when it comes to calories, these bitches, I might have said this before, but watches and like, or like heart rate monitors and shit, they are not the best way to determine how much calories you're burning. Usually they're like 60% off, and that's crazy. Like, say you burn 1,000 calories on your watch, it says you did, you probably burn like 300-400, you know, something like that, and even, maybe even less. Like, I do not ever make it a factor when it comes to my calorie deficit, at least when it comes to how much I get out of my workout. So let's get this shit going, guys. Set two. Oh, come on. Oh Lord. Whew. We got 13 and a half there. I counted this. Yeah, that's 13 and a half. I don't like giving myself too much credit. It's just like when I'm counting my calories and shit, like when I'm using a calorie tracker, I like to kind of overestimate what I'm eating. So say I got like a portion of rice and it weighs out to like 150 calories. Every once in a while, I'll weigh it out like as I eat a little bit more, just so I can, it's like a mental thing for me. Like if I see I'm at I only got a little bit of calories left, I'm gonna do my best to not eat as much, because every once in a while I do overdo with my calorie intake. So personally, I like to overestimate, so do with that as you want. But let's get it, next set. Let's get it, y'all. Set 3 in this Muda Suka, and it's feeling fucking good. It's again, I'm really liking this new rep range. Now I just feel like my pumps are like on point. And I was just like, my systemic fatigue was going crazy. So all that axial loading, guys, will fuck you up every once in a while. So take your, you know, switch up your routine every here and there, especially if you're doing like that heavier powerlifts, guys. But let's get this rolling, y'all. Set 3. Lord have mercy. Okay, another damn good one for the books, y'all. Fuck, it's gonna be a good day in here today, y'all. I got enough time to take my break. So next one, I'm gonna take a little longer, I think. I'm gonna go for like 3 minutes, maybe 3.5. Let's see what we get. Last but not least, let's make this shit happen. I gotta check the fucking video up. It's recording again, but let's see what we get out of this, y'all. I've been getting 13. I might even drop set this last set. All right, let's see what we got. Let's do it. That's all I need for the drop set, y'all. Ooh. Okay. Okay. That was a damn good set right there, y'all. That's how we do T-bar fucking rows. Let's do it. Next exercise. All right. I'm gonna see what the fuck I get out of these today. I'm gonna try to go for like, and then again, since I'm doing higher rep ranges on my bigger muscle groups too, I might even go for like 15 or 20 on these right here, y'all. Let's see what the hell we got. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, these are my favorite bicep curls right here. They definitely get the biceps fired up. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, got 14 of those. Definitely overshot it. Probably gonna go for 25s on the next one there, cause I do want to get like 15 or 20. So, see how the next one's feeling, y'all. Set 2 in this bitch, y'all. Hey, let me give y'all some words of wisdom too. If you're on a cut and you don't got enough energy to be doing good in your workout still, you're probably in too too aggressive cut, cause you should still be able to perform and hit some numbers when you're cutting. Cause if you're not, again, you got to eat a little bit more. Usually, a lot of times we cut out way too much carbs, and it's like, look, if you don't got no issues with eating carbs, eat your fucking carbs, because that is literally the fuel when it comes to all this fucking working out shit. All right, so don't play yourselves, guys. Let's get this shit rolling. Oh man, I forgot to go down on weight, guys. Fuck sakes. Yeah, that's what I get for distracting myself with my phone. Fucking hell. Let's go down 5 pounds on this next one, see what the hell we can juice out of these biceps. All right, so 3, y'all. Last but not least, let's do this shit. I got no time for talking on this one. Just get it rolling. Oh yeah.
This is crazy.
Oh, still only got 15, but that's because they feel like they're about to pop out of place. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's how we do it, y'all. Done with these. All right, you guys, I had to move on to some rear delt flies because I'm gonna finish off with some type of lat targeting exercise here, but probably back to those rows, actually, the V-grip rows, because I couldn't do anything about my biceps. I swear to God, that shit feel like it's about to rip out of place. So let's keep this shit rolling, y'all. Hey, I didn't even I recorded these last time, but they didn't, it was like when my mic was all fucked up. So the thing with this, shout out Jeff Nepper, because he's the one who put me on with these, and these are fucking crack, like to hit your rear delts. Like these right on the dot, and there's not much exercise that you can get that are right on the fucking dot with them. So let's do some adjusting here. Let's see what we got. Oh, set 1.
Ryu, this is crazy.
See, the first time I did it, I was at 50. Right now I'm at 70. The first time I did it I was at 50. I tried it for the first time last week, and I was barely able to get like 10 or 12, but I think all I needed to do was get used to the movement pattern. So let's hit this other side real quick. Oh, let's see what we got over here. Come on. $15 on that side was a little bit harder, so low key, I think I'm gonna go up on weight, do a little bit less on this one, just to even out on the left one, all right? Let's get it. Set 1 down. Set 2 in this Murasuka. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know where the fuck I got that shit from, the Murasuka thing, but hey, it just flows so easily, so naturally sometimes, y'all. So it's like, oh man, that's how we do it. I went up 15 pounds, so let's see how this next set goes, because it felt pretty fucking good in the last one, Less on the right, more on the left. Let's see how this goes.
this is crazy.
Oh yeah, that felt fucking great. Ooh. As long as it's right the fuck on target, we calling that a win there, y'all. That's a win right there. Set 3, y'all. Let's keep it rolling. And it's guys, if y'all don't know what rear delt flies or just like what the rear delt muscle really is, it's this back muscle right here in the back of your shoulders, and it's like pretty much the muscle that gives you like a 3D look on your shoulders. A lot of times we kind of neglect it. Like unless you're doing like crazy like upright or not upright but crazy overhand rows where you're really bringing the shoulder back and far back behind, then you're gonna be targeting it. But if like most people, they do like lat pull downs or they do like regular rows where they stop at your back, that's like gonna be missing on a lot of rear delt gains there, y'all. So if you can, try to incorporate these bitches into your routine, see how the fuck it goes. All right, let's get it. Woo. Oh yeah, that was a damn fucking burnout right there at the end. Eesh. Guys, if you're gonna shake it every here and there, you ain't doing it right. Let's get it. Last but not least, let's see how the fuck this shit goes. Let me make sure this mic's still on. You know, I'll make sure. Man, I was so annoyed. I recorded a whole video. I only got like 2 workouts in until the mic stopped working. I didn't even fucking pay attention. So, got like PTSD from that shit, y'all. All right, let's do this shit. Last but not least, come on. No baby shit right here. Oh yeah. I tried getting that last one, but hey, all we can do is try sometimes, ladies and gents. Fucking hell. Okay. One last exercise. Fuck, I'm going for the V grip here. V grip rower. Let's see how it goes. Come on. All right, y'all. Let's finish this workout off. See, this is pretty much just targeting my lower lats or just like my mid back with this exercise. And guys, if you don't feel this in your target area that you're going for, then don't fucking do it. Do something else where you can feel the muscle groups that you're wanting to target. So, let's see what we got here. Again, high rep range. Let's get this shit rolling.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Ooh, I got 17 of those. Okay, I'm doing something right, y'all. See, I need to start writing my workouts down. Like, man, I don't want to be that guy walking around with a notebook. But I don't see why the fuck not. Maybe I'm not trying to be look like a nerd, but hey, no, that's fine. Honestly, I am a nerd when it comes to this fucking workout shit. So, might as well. I got a notebook ready to go. Fuck it, y'all. I think next exercise, next workout, I'm gonna get my notebook out. Let's see what we got, all right? Set 1 down. Set 2 in this motherfucker. I'm gonna stay with the same weight. I got 17, and again, I'm really liking that range right now because I'm getting my shit fired the hell up. Let's see what we got. Oh, so 2.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Oh yeah. Ooh, ladies, that felt fucking great. All right. Set 2 down. Let's keep it rolling. I got 18 reps on that last one. Fuck it. I'm gonna go up to 10. We'll go up to 10. Again, I'm not really shooting for a target number. I just want to go until I'm burning the fuck out. So let's get it rolling. Shit, I didn't take that long of a break on this one, so we'll see what the hell we get. Let's get it. Oh man, 15 reps. Okay, I'll fucking take it. Ooh. Look, I gotta get better at my breathing technique, because I'm not gonna lie, technically, from what I heard, it's better to be breathing through your nose. Maybe not, I'm talking general. Generally, you're gonna want to breathe more through your nose, just because like it's better for your brain function and all this shit. I gotta look a little bit more into the science of it all. I just know breathing through your nose, a little bit better for the health. All right, everybody? Last but not least, everybody, I gotta get my ass home. I gotta go get to cooking some fucking veggies. I gotta go to Sam's Club first. Hey, and if you guys don't know, go to fucking Sam's Club. They got the deals out there. You know, I get a big ass bag of broccoli for the price of like one little one at anywhere else. So it's like, yeah, go to Sam's. I get broccoli. I need to get some broccoli. I need to get some bell peppers, some fucking carrots, all this shit. Just to like make some stir fry shit. I fuck with stir fry and fajitas. Oh, that's how we fucking do it. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, oh my lord. I had like 3 RIR, and that's what we're looking for any fucking gains, y'all. Let's go wrap this shit up. I gotta get my ass moving. Let's wrap this up, you guys. Pump check. Felt fucking great. My back is on fire. Like, I'm still feeling it right now. That's how you know you did it right. All right, let's do this shit.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Y'all know the drill. That's how we do it on a fucking back there, ladies and gents. Thank y'all for tapping in. You can like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that. You know the drill. Let's keep this shit rolling, y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. Let's see what we get with this cut, everybody. Adios.